Good morning. So how can we take the pulse of society to understand what citizens around the world think about emerging science and how they act as early users of these cutting-edge technological developments? As chair of GESDA's Citizens Forum, these questions are at the center of my thinking: how humanity and technology interact. At GESDA, we are convinced that in order to tackle these questions, we first need to offer an easy entry point into our world that is accelerated by science and technology. We need to emotionally connect. Art and images are bridges to this world. So to break down the complexity and to empower citizens from diverse professional and cultural backgrounds to anticipate and co-create the world to come, we created a unique interactive experience, an installation at the intersection of arts, science, diplomacy, the Geneva Public Portal to Anticipation. So may I take a quick poll? How many of you have visited the globe on the second floor and made one of these bubbles? All right, I see a few. Oh, good. All right. So for those of you who have not done so, you must go make a bubble, because it's how you see yourself in the future. In a few minutes, you will learn more from Alexander Edelman, the head of Présence Suisse, and Sarah Kenderdine, professor for experimental museology at EPFL, about the interactive installation and its link to Switzerland's presence at the World Exhibition in Osaka in 2025. What I can tell you now is that this is just the starting point for a global public dialogue and a campaign on anticipation and emerging science. Building on the experiences of an expected 1.5 million visitors and an augmented knowledge base of newly launched GESDA Anticipation Observatory, the interactive exhibition will be further expanded, allowing citizens around the world to create personalized intelligence, fostering a greater sense of agency, connection, and action. The feedback from visitors will be used to support the existing and new GESDA initiatives that in turn anticipate science opportunities into real use cases for citizens. The full-scale implementation of the Geneva Public Portal to Anticipation is expected and planned for 2026 and 2027, with a physical exhibition here in Geneva, mobile anticipation satellites around the world that you have just heard from Enrico and his colleagues, as well as an open online platform fostering connections, engagement, and action of citizens worldwide. And we want partners and suggestions. So let us go back today to the launching pad of this exciting new initiative. And with this, may I return it back to you, dear State Secretary.